This foam will help you get rid of mold on your windows. In winter, condensation on the glass is a warning sign. Ignoring it can lead to mold quickly developing on the frames and seals. You need to act immediately because mold spreads rapidly, and larger amounts are harder to remove. Moisture, fogged windows, and warm rooms create ideal conditions for its growth, posing serious health risks. You can effectively remove mold from windows without using chemical store-bought products. Fill a spray bottle with vinegar and water in a 1-to-1 ratio. In a small bowl, mix a few tablespoons of baking soda with water to create a foam-like consistency. Apply the foam to the seals and mold-covered areas, then scrub thoroughly with a brush. Next, spray the entire window with the vinegar water solution and leave it for 15 minutes. Finally, use a microfiber cloth to wipe everything clean. Vinegar combined with baking soda works effectively on mold, doesn't cause allergies, and its smell disappears quickly. Mold has appeared in your house? You can quickly remove it with a super effective spray. This homemade product always works. Thanks to it, many people got rid of mold once and for all. Today I will show you the recipe for this spray. Before you use it, let me tell you one more thing. Or rather, the hidden function of one thing. If you do not ventilate your apartment, the lack of air circulation favors the development of mold and fungi. If you don't have air vents, unseal the windows. The handle in most plastic windows has an additional function. In addition to opening and tilting the window, you can unseal it. Position the handle diagonally, at an angle. Additionally, always turn on the absorber when cooking. Then steam will not settle on the walls and ceiling in the kitchen. However, the most important thing is always good air circulation in the bathroom. This is where you most often need to remove mold from tiles in the shower or bathtub. Many people have to use home spray in the bathroom. To prepare it, prepare 3 products. The first is vinegar. It has long been successfully used to combat mold and fungi. The second product is hydrogen peroxide. You can buy it at any pharmacy. It also effectively removes mold. However, vinegar combined with hydrogen peroxide becomes much more powerful. Use them in equal amounts. Pour the mixture into a large or small bottle and spray it on the mold areas. Add a dozen or so drops of tea tree oil to them. Now, no mold has a chance. Leave the preparation on the mold for several days. Then, wash off any mold remnants. Be sure to throw away the cloths and brushes you used to clean and remove mold, and that's it. If you did everything correctly, the mold will disappear. From now on, you will always know how to remove it. Your home will be free from moisture. You'll never see mold on your walls again. To start, take 3 or 4 lemons. Roll the lemons back and forth with a flat hand to make it easier to extract more juice. Lemon juice has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties. Then, cut each lemon in half and squeeze the juice. You should get around 400 milliliters from 3 large lemons. Next, add a small spoon of granulated garlic to the lemon juice. The allicin in garlic inhibits the growth of mold and mildew. Mix everything thoroughly. Also, add a small spoon of cinnamon. Now, take a sieve and a tall container to strain the mixture. Use a coffee filter or gauze for straining. Slowly pour the liquids into the container, allowing the cinnamon to remain in the filter. Grab a funnel and a plastic spray bottle. Pour the liquid into the bottle and close it tightly. Shake the mixture well, so all ingredients combine. Use this mixture on areas prone to mold and mildew. Spray the tiles and grout in the shower. Leave it on for 20 minutes, then wipe the surfaces with a cloth. Mold and mildew around windows are common problems. This homemade solution will help you eliminate the issue once and for all. I do this once a week to get rid of mold. Place sponges, scrubbers, and brushes that are in the sink into a bowl. Then, generously sprinkle them with salt. Salt has cleansing and disinfecting properties. Pour boiling water over the entire contents and leave it for a few minutes. The salt and boiling water will remove bacteria, fungi, and mold from their surfaces. Once soaked, these items will be hygienic and safe for health. The unpleasant odor will also disappear. Do this as soon as you notice mold around your windows. After this method, the glass won't fog up, and the musty smell will disappear completely. Start by preparing a bowl and adding 3 tablespoons of dish soap. It helps dissolve grease, dirt, and dust that promote mold growth. Then add a cup of vinegar. It has disinfecting, antifungal, and antibacterial properties, while also neutralizing unpleasant odors. Add a tablespoon of regular table salt. Salt is hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs excess moisture from the air and prevents condensation on the windows. Mix everything well. Now grind a few cloves, preferably using a coffee grinder, and place them in a container. Cloves have natural antiseptic and antifungal properties, and their scent repels insects. Pour boiling water over them and let them steep for a few minutes. Then add a cup of this clove infusion to your bowl and mix everything again. Pour the solution into a spray bottle using a funnel. Spray the window seals and the area around the windows to prevent mold from returning. This mixture absorbs moisture, stops condensation, and keeps your windows clean, dry, and fresh smelling. I've been using this trick for years. It really works. What I saw on my faucet really grossed me out. I'll show you a simple home trick that removes all that dirt without scrubbing. Take a zip-top bag. It fits perfectly over the faucet and won't leak. Place the bag directly over the faucet head. Next, get some vinegar. Vinegar dissolves limescale and removes deposits that build up inside the faucet. Pour it into the bag. Then add a small amount of baking soda. Just a little is enough. The mixture will start to fizz and bubble. The baking soda reacts with the vinegar and begins breaking down the built-up grime. Turn the water on briefly so the mixture reaches the inside of the aerator as well. Then tightly secure the bag around the faucet with a rubber band so nothing leaks out. The baking soda helps remove grease and stubborn residue. Now take some aluminum foil, tear off a piece, and wrap it around the bag. This helps keep the reaction going and boosts the cleaning effect. Wait a moment. After that, remove everything, and you'll see the dirt has started to dissolve. The faucet head is clean, unclogged, and works like new. It's the fastest and easiest way to get rid of dirt and limescale from a faucet. Remember to clean your faucet regularly. Pour a little olive oil on your faucet, and the limescale will slide right off, preventing new buildup for up to 4 weeks. This is a trick every homemaker should know. Limescale and residue on faucets or in the shower are a common problem, especially in areas with hard water. Hard water contains high amounts of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron, which settle on surfaces and create stubborn stains. That's why regular cleaning and proper care are so important. Before applying olive oil, wipe the faucet with a damp cloth. This step is essential, otherwise the oil won't work. Then dry it thoroughly with a towel. Now it's time for the olive oil. Don't pour it directly onto the faucet. Instead, use a piece of paper towel, put a small amount of olive oil on it, and rub it into the surface of the faucet, shower handle, or flush button. Keep rubbing until there's no greasy layer left. This way, water won't cling to the surface, and limescale, streaks, and residue won't return. With this method, your bathroom will stay shiny and spotless. Enjoy cleanliness and freshness for a long time.